मैं ये कर सकता हूँ। I can do it. I can do it. मैं ये नहीं कर सकता। I cannot do it. I cannot do it. क्या मैं ये कर सकता हूँ? Can I do it? Can I do it? तुम सोच सकते हो। You can think. You can think. तुम नहीं सोच सकते। You cannot think. You cannot think. क्या तुम सोच सकते हो? Can you think? Can you think? मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ। I can read. I can read. मैं पढ़ नहीं सकता। I cannot read. I cannot read. क्या मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ? Can I read? Can I read? वो लिख सकता है। He can write. He can write. वो नहीं लिख सकता। He cannot write. He cannot write. क्या वो लिख सकता है? Can he write? Can he write? वो दौड़ सकते हैं। They can run. They can run. वो नहीं दौड़ सकते। They cannot run. They cannot run. क्या वो दौड़ सकते हैं? Can they run? Can they run? हम समझ सकते हैं। We can understand. We can understand. हम नहीं समझ सकते। We cannot understand. We cannot understand. क्या हम समझ सकते हैं? Can we understand? Can we understand? राहुल जा सकता है। राहुल can go. राहुल can go. राहुल नहीं जा सकता। राहुल cannot go. राहुल cannot go. क्या राहुल जा सकता है? Can राहुल go? Can राहुल go? बच्चे यहाँ खेल सकते हैं। The children can play here. The children can play here. बच्चे यहाँ नहीं खेल सकते। The children cannot play here. The children cannot play here. क्या बच्चे यहाँ खेल सकते हैं? Can the children play here? Can the children play here? तुम अब बना सकते हो। You can make now. You can make now. तुम अब नहीं बना सकते। You cannot make now. You cannot make now. क्या तुम अब बना सकते हो? Can you make now? Can you make now? मैं इसे सुलझा सकता हूँ। I can solve it. I can solve it. मैं इसे नहीं सुलझा सकता। I cannot solve it. I cannot solve it. क्या मैं इसे सुलझा सकता हूँ? Can I solve it? Can I solve it? तुम इसे खरीद सकते हो। You can buy it. You can buy it. तुम इसे नहीं खरीद सकते। You cannot buy it. You cannot buy it. क्या तुम इसे खरीद सकते हो? Can you buy it? Can you buy it? मैं अब उछल सकता हूँ। I can jump now. I can jump now. मैं अब नहीं उछल सकता। I cannot jump now. I cannot jump now. क्या मैं अब उछल सकता हूँ? कैन आई जंप नाउ? कैन आई जंप नाउ? मैं 50 किलो भार उठा सकता हूँ. I can lift 50 kg weight. I can lift 50 kg weight. मैं 50 किलो भार नहीं उठा सकता. I cannot lift 50 kg weight. I cannot lift 50 kg weight. क्या मैं 50 किलो भार उठा सकता हूँ? Can I lift 50 kg weight? Can I lift 50 kg weight? मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. मुझे करने दो. Let me do. Let me do. उसे बोलने दो. Let him speak. Let him speak. उसे पढ़ने दो. Let her study. Let her study. उनको अंदर आने दो. Let them come inside. Let them come inside. हमें बैठने दो. Let us sit. Let us sit. राहुल को खाना खाने दो. Let Rahul eat food. Let Rahul eat food. मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलने दो. Let me speak English. Let me speak English. मुझे तुम्हें समझाने दो. यानी मैं तुम्हें समझाता हूँ. Let me explain to you. Let me explain to you. चलो शुरू करते हैं. Let's start. Let's start. चलो बाहर जाते हैं. Let's go out. Let's go out. चलो खाना खाते हैं. Let's have food. Let's have food. चलो एक साथ खाना खाते हैं. Let's have food together. Let's have food together. चलो खेलते हैं. Let's play. Let's play. चलो कुछ नया सीखते हैं. Let's learn something new. Let's learn something new. चलो दिवाली मनाते हैं. Let's celebrate Diwali. Let's celebrate Diwali. चलो खाना बनाते हैं. Let's prepare food. Let's prepare food. चलो पढ़ाई करते हैं. Let's study. Let's study. वो बहुत मोटा दिखता है. He looks very fat. He looks very fat. वो बहुत सुंदर दिखती है. She looks beautiful. She looks beautiful. तुम बहुत घबराई हुई दिख रही हो. You look very nervous. You look very nervous. मुझे लगता है. I seem. I seem. मुझे भी लगता है. I seem to. I seem to. मुझे थोड़ी देर के लिए बाहर जाने दो. Let me go for a while. Let me go for a while. उसे कुछ देर वहीं खड़े रहने दो. Let him stand there for some time. Let him stand there for some time. मुझे लगता है तुम्हें वहां जाना चाहिए. I seem you should go there. I seem you should go there. उसे लगता है कि वो सही है. He seems that only he is right. He seems that only he is right. ये लड़का चालाक लग रहा है. This boy seems to be clever. This boy seems to be clever. ये बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति लग रहा है. He seems to be a wise man. He seems to be a wise man. रवि खुश लगता है. Ravi seems happy. Ravi seems happy. उसे लगता है कि तुम मेरे पास हो. He seems that you are with me. He seems that you are with me. मुझे वो किताब चाहिए. I want that book. I want that book. मुझे वो वाली ड्रेस चाहिए. I want that dress. I want that dress. मुझे वैसी कार चाहिए. I want a car like that. I want a car like that. मैं तो बस मदद करना चाहता हूँ. I just want to help. I just want to help. क्या आप उसे मिलना चाहते हैं? Do you want to meet him? Do you want to meet him? आप क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? आप क्या चाहते थे? What did you want? What did you want? मुझे ये चाहिए. I want this one. I want this one. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता था. I wanted to meet you. I wanted to meet you. मैं एक बड़ी कार चाहता था. I wanted a big car. I wanted a big car. रमेश बहुत पढ़ाई किया करता था. रमेश used to study a lot. रमेश used to study a lot. वो कुछ टाइम अकेला रहना चाहता है. He wants to be alone for some time. He wants to be alone for some time. मुझे आपका फ़ोन नंबर चाहिए. I want your phone number. I want your phone number. मुझे आपका समय चाहिए. I want your time. I want your time. वो बहुत बातें किया करता था. He used to talk a lot. He used to talk a lot. हम स्कूल बहुत दूर जाया करते थे. We used to go far away to school. We used to go far away to school. हम एक साथ स्कूल जाया करते थे. We used to go to school together. We used to go to school together. हम स्कूल चलकर जाया करते थे. We used to walk to school. We used to walk to school. मैं ज़्यादातर सोया करता था. I used to sleep most of the time. I used to sleep most of the time. आज तुम बहुत खुश दिख रहे हो. Today you are looking very happy. Today you are looking very happy. अब आप पहले से ज़्यादा स्वस्थ दिख रहे हैं. You are looking healthier than before. You are looking healthier than before. सुबह सुबह उसका चेहरा बहुत भद्दा दिखता है. His face looks very ugly in the morning. His face looks very ugly in the morning. मेरा भाई बहुत शरारत किया करता था. My brother used to do a lot of mischief. My brother used to do a lot of mischief. पापा हमें पार्क में घुमाने के लिए लेकर जाया करते थे. Papa used to take us for a walk in the park. Papa used to take us for a walk in the park. मैं अपने टीचर से रोज मार खाया करता था. I used to get beaten by my teacher every day. I used to get beaten by my teacher every day. हम बाग से आम चुराया करते थे. We used to steal mangoes from the garden. We used to steal mangoes from the garden. हम हर साल मुकाबले में हिस्सा लिया करते थे. We used to participate in the competition every year. We used to participate in the competition every year. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी. सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नई सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, कीप लर्निंग.